as the main implementing body of the Gambia's Truth, Reparation and Reconciliation Commission. The National Human Rights Commission is expanding effort to monitor the execution of TRRC white paper recommendations in line with its mandate. This quarterly interface with victims and victims' organizations seeks to share information on the implementation process, ensuring victims' participation in the monitoring process. In 2018, the government established the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparation Commission, TRRC, to investigate and establish an impartial historical record uncovering the causes and perpetrators of human rights violation and abuse from January 1997 to January 2017. Following its successful completion, the Gambia government issued its white paper on the TRRC report on May 25, 2022. The Solicitor General and Legal Secretary Hussein Tomasi assured victims that they will do anything in their capacity as a ministry to ensure the government implement TRRC recommendations. Solicitor General Tomasi revealed the establishment of a Peace and Reconciliation Commission with a bill already validated by the Ministry of Interior.
The importance of the implementation plan cannot be overemphasized, as it serves as a guideline and will direct the transitional justice process moving forward. We have heard your voices. We have heard victims lament over the slow pace of implementation. We understand this, and we will continue to do everything within our mandate to ensure that we holistically implement all the recommendations.
Right Commissioner Jundu Drame said the rationale behind the periodic interface is to monitor the government's implementation of the white paper, which aims to ensure victims get the justice they deserve.
This is a very important activity for the Commission. It's a quarterly activity interface where we bring victims and victim-led organizations to discuss about the implementation of the government white paper on the report of the TRRC, what is happening, how far the government is implementing, what are the challenges, what are the constraints, and what are victims' expectations and hopes as far as the transitional justice is concerned, as far as the implementation and monitoring of the TRRC recommendations are concerned.
Mbalo Sedikan, a victim representative, share his view on the process.
I was arrested with almost about 67 people, but they were able to kill 11 of them mercilessly, without even a right to express. If I look at the crowd now, I can see some of them, the families. Anytime I see them, I start crying. They are not even still given a befitting burial.
The National Human Rights Commission quarterly interface is a vital move to boost human rights standards in the Gambia by nurturing a culture of respect for rights and freedoms guaranteed by the law. Baaba Sillah, GRTS.